Hope you're having a good day. And don't forget to, after this video, after you watch it, and don't forget to like. And if you like these videos that I'm posting, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to be making some chocolate cream tarts. So let's get started. Okay. So I have as you can see, I have the Tart Shells. Move that out of the way. So we have the Tart Shells there, and these are the store-bought ones from the freezer section. So all I'm gonna do with these is bake them for, I think it's 12 to 14 minutes in the oven, and then they'll be ready to fill. So we'll get started on the filling. So the filling is cream. This is for the chocolate part. Cream. Roughly about a half a cup of cream. And about a tablespoon of butter. What you want to do is you want to get the cream to come to a boil, which happens quite fast, and it will bubble over on you, so you got to be careful with that. So pretty much the cream and butter has boiled, and it's still hot, so you want that. So the chocolate has been chopped up, right? So I put it in there. So the chocolate is melting there. Take a closer look. Hopefully you can better view. So the chocolate there, and he's melting. See? Stir, stir, stir. Oh yeah, these are going to be some tasty tarts, and tell you that. Right. So the tarts are ready to go in the oven. And that's without the chocolate sauce. This is chocolate sauce we're just putting in there. They're going to set, and then add some whipped cream, strawberries, and then we're good. So we'll toss the tarts in there for about, alright, I think it's 12 to 14 minutes, so there we go. And pretty much with the tarts, they're fairly, normally you let them soften up a little bit, but they're pretty close, so I've just tossed them in the oven, so just let them cook. And with the chocolate sauce, is perfect for while we're waiting for the tarts to cook, thicken up, and once it does that, it'll be perfect to pour into the tarts, and we'll let them set for a bit, and then we can enjoy some nice, superb chocolate cream tarts. So what we're going to do with the tarts, some chocolate sauce, we're going to start dumping in the Tart Shells. Almost to the top, because we're going to put other stuff on there, so. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Toss in there. Yeah, I'm just learning about YouTube. At this point, I could play some music, so definitely working on that. So I can do my own original food music, which is very cool. Excess and all the rest of them. Yeah, and you just want to make sure you don't let the chocolate set too much, because if it's set too much, you won't be able to get it into the tarts. So something to remember. Try to stay clean if you can, but with chocolate you might make a little bit of a mess, and it does happen. There we go. We have nice chocolate cream tarts. So the next step, we're going to toss these and let them set in the fridge. Set them in the freezer, so they set a little faster. Yeah, I'll go from there. That. Yeah, because I'm getting hungry for dessert, so I'll probably just toss them in the freezer, and they'll be ready in a jiffy. So And then I'll show you the final, how I'm going to do like final plating and stuff with some strawberries I've cut up, and yeah, and also the other day I made some whipping cream, so we'll add that and with some strawberries and kind of show you that. Cool. And yeah, we'll come back and I'll show you the plating. So what I've done is I've taken the tarts, these are the chocolate cream tarts. So I've just put some whipped cream on there, pretty simple. I'll toss some strawberries on there. So the only thing I had that just to make the plate look a little more sexy was grenadine. A little bit of icing sugar. Now, tarts. Yeah, so this is the chocolate cream tart, and I'll cut into it. And all I did was for the grenadine, I just put that just for color for the plate, so it looked good. And usually it's more of a sweet thing. Normally I can make like a coulis or something, but give this a try. And so if you like chocolate, this is definitely wow, so rich, so good. Chocolate cream tarts. Doesn't really get any better than that. Wow.